right, here we go. All right, so your first question says verify the two ratios are proportional. I'm going to show you the easy way to do this, okay? There's multiple ways to do this, but I'm going to show you the easy way to do this. The easy way to do this is probably cross multiply. You multiply that times that and that times that. Okay? If those two things are equal, then it is proportional. If those two things are not equal, then it's not proportional. Okay? So we go 10 times 6 is what? 60. Okay? And we go 36 times 5. What's 36 times 5? 180. Are those two numbers equal to each other? Then this is not proportional. Okay? That's the easiest way to do that problem. All right? Does everybody understand? Anybody have any questions about that one? No? Fantastic. All right. Go over here. Go up to this next one. All right. It says solve for x. Again, we're going to do the butterfly method. Fly away, little butterfly, fly away. Okay? We cross multiply. All right? So, here's what we do. X plus 2 times 3 is going to be 3 times x plus 2. Does everybody see how I wrote that?
Yeah.
It's got to be like that. Okay? Because we're going to distribute here in a minute. Then we're going to multiply 2 times 15, which gives us 30. All right?
Yeah.
So here's what we do. We distribute, okay? 3 times x plus 2. 3 times x is 3x. Plus, because that's a plus, 3 times 2 is 6. All right?
Right.
And that is equal to 30. All right? Now it's about solving the equation. Got to get rid of that 6. How do I get rid of that 6? I subtract it. Very good. Minus 6, minus 6. That's gone. That gives me 3x equals 30 minus 6 is 24. Got 24. Now I got to get rid of that 3. How do you get rid of that 3? You divide it. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. And x equals 8. Okay? Is that rocket science?
Nah.
That's not rocket science. We're not trying to build a rocket to go to the moon.
Right.
We're not trying to go explore space. If y'all ever build a rocket, I won't get on it. All right, that was funny.
It kind of hurt me though.
Kind of hurt your feelings there? I apologize.
Hey, should
All right, question 3. Here we go. All right, it says, given quadrilateral DEFG is similar to quadrilateral PQRS. Find the scale factor. All right, let me get these two dudes over here. All right, here's how we're going to do this. DEFG, I'm going to write that. DEFG is similar to R, hang on, my bad, hang on. PQRS. What was it? My gosh, I can't remember. DEFG. All right. Where y'all laughing at me? I hope y'all get old one of these days.
yeah. I'm already old.
G is similar to PQRS. All right. I'm going to show you a trick here. Scale factor is just a ratio. That's all it is.
Right.
Okay? And it says the big one to the small one. Okay? That's the big quadrilateral, that's the small one. So we're going from big to small. All I got to do is pick one side that matches up. That's it. And I'm going to show you how the easiest way to do that. Y'all see EF here?
Right.
What side does EF match up to over here? RQ, right? If you can't see that, watch this. EF, 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 EF matches up to QR. Okay? So, all I gotta do is write a ratio. Well, what's EF? What's its side equal to?
3.
3 over
1.
RQ is what?
1.
1
So it's just three.
equal 3. That's it. I'm done.
Oh,
How?
I said, oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Now, what does that mean? That means this. This quadrilateral is 3 times smaller than this one. This quadrilateral is 3 times as big as this one. That's what that means. Okay?
Right.
All right? Any questions over that one?
No.
Simple enough? All right, good. All right, moving right along. Oh, yeah. Y'all see this? All right. Complete the similarity statement for the similar polygons. All right, we know they're similar. We don't have to do any math here. All right, so all we got to do is complete the similarity statement. I know that A matches up with L, right? I know B matches up with M. And I know C matches up with N, right? A matches up with what? L. B matches up with what? M. Oh, excuse me, sorry. C matches up with N. And B matches up with? Done. You're just matching. That's all you're doing. How elementary-ish. Okay?
Who made this lesson plan?
Anybody have any questions?
Nah.
All right, moving right along.
There's no possible way you get that.
At all.
Oh, yeah. Here we go.
You sure keep saying, oh, yeah.
Here we go.
It'd be the easiest ones too.
Yeah, this is not hard either. Okay? Everybody ready?
Yep.
It says, given ADCB is similar to EHGF, and the scale factor is 5:1, find X. All right, y'all see this? That side matches up to what side over here? 32.5 matches up with what? X, right? Here's how you're gonna do this. We're going from ADCB to this one right here, correct? We're going from this one to this one. That's how it says, right? All you gotta do is take this and divide by 5. 32.5 divided by 5.
6.5.
6.5, right? 6.5 is my answer. That's my scale factor. Whew, that was hard.
Not really.
There ain't nothing about this hard yet, is there?
No, not yet.
All right, moving right along. Number 6. Oh gosh. Oh my.
Oh, my.
Oh my.
Oh my.
All right, everybody pay attention, because I'm going to explain this real simple. Because y'all trying to make this way too complicated. Which reason is used to prove the triangles are similar? Those are the reasons right there. Okay? All right, go through these. Angle, angle. Is there 2 angles marked here?
No.
Then it ain't that one. That one is not it.
Side and side.
Okay? Let's go side, angle, side. Is there 2 sides in an angle? Is that angle between those 2 sides? Then guess what? That's your answer right there. And if you're confused about that, just look at the next one. It says side, side, side similarity. Are 3 sides marked?
No.
No. Man, that was hard, wasn't it? How many of you have had to use your brain yet? Really?
A little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah, you know.
Ah.
He mentally missing, so that's
Okay. It's gonna crack him. You're just gonna crack on him in front of the world and everything. Cause y'all know this is going on YouTube, right?
On YouTube.
Oh, you going on YouTube? You gonna
I have a
be
YouTube
famous.
channel. Alright, here we go.
You gonna be famous.
Man, pay attention. A person 5 foot tall casts a 2 foot long shadow. At the same time, the flagpole casts a 9 foot long shadow. Which of the following proportions is set up to find out how tall the flagpole is? All you doing is setting up a proportion. You're setting up two ratios, right? Alright, here we go. 5 is to what here?
X.
5 is to X. Right?
Yeah, man.
As
2 is to 9.
2 is to 9.
So which is?
I wrote that left-handed. Alright, let's see which one of that matches here.
That's D.
5 is to
Ain't
2.
Oh, wait.
Let me see.
No,
D?
no,
I swear I heard
It's D.
5 is to X is 2 is to 9.
It's D.
D is my correct answer.
He said what he said.
Amen? Amen. Alright, I don't want to get banned from YouTube, so I take back the amen.
I don't know, bro. I don't know.
Alright, here we go. Here we go. It says determine,
Last time, here we go.
says determine whether KM is parallel to JN. In order to prove two lines parallel in the same triangle, we have to prove that the ratios match up on the same side. Okay? So all we're going to do is this. We're going to go 24 is to 15 and we're going to reduce that. What's 24 and 15 got in common? What's the biggest number they got in common?
3.
All right? That's 8 over 5. Okay? All right, we got to do the same thing the other side. 18 is to 10. What's the biggest number 18 and 10 got in common?
2.
Is that number and that number the same? No, they are not the same. So are these two parallel to each other?
No.
No, they are not. That's all you got to do. Okay? You good?
Yeah.
All right, moving on. We only got 3 more questions.
Nah, come on.
What is going on? Number 9. Use the diagram to complete the proportion.
Right, right.
All right, everybody pay attention. Everybody pay attention. GE is to EC. GE is to EC. As something is to DB. FD. Whew, man. I don't know if I can handle this much more. It's too hard. You don't make 100 on this.
You don't make 100.
If you don't make 100, I will make fun of you for the rest of your life. All right, here we go. It says find the length of AC. I'm going to have to do some math. I'm trying to find there. There's nothing there, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put X there. Okay? I can put A, B, C, D, it doesn't matter. But I'm going to put X. Okay? Now, all we're going to do is set up a proportion. That's two ratios that are equal to each other. Since we're dealing with parallel lines, they got to be on the same side. So we're going to go X is to 16 as 21 is to 12. Now, how do we solve a proportion? Fly away, little butterfly. Fly away.
336.
Alright, so here we go. 12x, what's 16 times 21?
What y'all shooting for?
Calculator, what was it?
336.
336. Divide by 12. And x equals 336 divided by 12.
28.
How much?
28.
28.
Now, you be ready for them losses, huh?
So this right here is 28.
That's crazy.
Daddy.
Okay? Questions?
No.
All right, ready to move on? All right, got one more left. What is the scale factor from big
Big.
to small?
Oh, very well.
So all we're gonna write is a ratio and reduce that ratio, right? I don't wanna deal with decimals though. So I'm gonna go from 8 to 6. Big to small, right? So here we go. 8 over 6. And reduce that fraction. What's 8 and 6 got in common? 2. That's my scale factor. Anybody have any questions?